Hi, and welcome to the course Dependency Injection, a C# developer's guide to DI patterns. I'm Ganesh, and I'll be your instructor for this course. Dependency injection is an essential skill for creating maintainable software, especially for larger and more complex applications. Modern frameworks like .NET, Angular, and Spring for Java rely heavily on dependency injection for dependency management. So learning DI allows us to use these frameworks effectively and take advantage of their core features. In this course, we start with the foundation, where we first define what dependency injection is, then take a look at dependencies, how the dependency inversion principle is violated, which leads to tight coupling, and how we can make our code loosely coupled by applying the dependency inversion principle. Next, we'll talk about the various dependency injection design patterns such as constructor injection, method injection, property injection, and composition root. And by the end of this section, you will have learned the first dimension of dependency injection, which is object composition. In the next section, we talk about the other two dimensions of dependency injection, which are lifetime management and interception. Here, we discuss the various service lifetimes such as singleton, scoped, and transient. Finally, we talk about the .NET dependency injection container itself, where we look at the basics first, then the different ways of registering services, how to register groups of services with extension methods, and more. So, by the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding of the basics of dependency injection in .NET. As for the target audience, this course is suitable for entry-level C# developers who know the basics of object-oriented programming and want to learn what dependency injection is and how it works. That said, experienced C# developers who want to take their skills to the next level by mastering the basics of dependency injection can also benefit from this course. So thank you, and I hope to see you on the other side.